Because, I mean, let's just be honest. You're absolutely ripped. Right? You're hammered.
It's pretty clear that you've been drinking. You appear very intoxicated right now. So were you like passed out or something? Or?
I know. That's why I wasn't driving.
You've been drinking tonight, sir.
I'm a captain on the police department.
What police department?
Oklahoma City.
From judges to police captains to state reps, we're breaking down the top 6 times officials got allegedly busted for DUI. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law and Crime. I'm Sam Goldberg. First, we're in Brimfield Township, Ohio, where 55-year-old County Judge Rebecca Doherty finds herself inside the local police station. Earlier that evening, Bodycam captures the moment officers approach the judge's crashed SUV.
Ma'am, you've got vomit down here in your door.
300 deal.
After being put in the back of the police car, Doherty becomes hysterical.
Absolutely out of my mind with...
The judge is then taken into booking where she begins making demands.
Let me call Goldberg.
Have a seat.
No.
Rebecca,
Call.
listen, this whole thing is being recorded. Do not do something you are going to regret
Call Larry
tomorrow.
Lindbergh.
Do me
No.
a favor and have a seat so we can do our
Call
job.
Larry
I'm not going to
Lindbergh.
call anybody yet. Okay, we have stuff we have to do. Will you please have a seat? You're trying to walk out the door and you're almost falling down. Can you please
I'm
have
not
a seat?
falling down.
Have a seat.
Call Larry Lindbergh.
Rebecca, I will put you in one of the cells if you
Okay.
do not. I'm
Call
trying
Larry
to really
Lindbergh
play nice
now.
with you. Have a seat.
Call him now. Call him now. Call him now.
After some contemplation in a cell, the judge now has other requests.
What can I do for you?
Drink.
Okay.
Water.
We just literally told you 10 seconds ago that we're getting you a drink of water. He's out front right now getting you the
Not
glass.
10 seconds ago. I want a drink of water now. Thank you. Now.
I contacted your daughter. She's arranging transportation for you home.
You don't have to call my daughter.
Already did.
No, my daughter is not the issue. Call Larry Lindbergh.
I tried
There you
him.
go, ma'am.
He didn't answer.
Really?
Do you want the water? The
Yeah,
water?
I do.
Okay.
Larry Lindbergh.
Okay.
Larry Lindbergh. Thank you. Thank you.
Judge Doherty was later charged with operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol and sentenced to 180 days in jail, which was later reduced to 3 days. Her driver's license was also suspended a year.
Your phone is in a puddle of vomit in your car, which is
I
on the
get
side
it.
of... Can I finish? Which is on the
Absolutely.
side of the road that you crashed into.
Yes.
The tow company is
absolutely.
out there trying to get it out. However, it is extremely snowy and slippery out. They are not able to
totally
get the
get it.
vehicle out so far. So
Totally
your
get it.
phone is off the table right now. We don't have access to it.
Next, we head to Oklahoma City, where a police captain finds himself on the wrong end of a body camera.
Get back in your car. Drunk?
No, the captain.
Huh? A what?
Captain.
Of what? The big. Don't reach in your pocket. Get back in your car. You've been drinking tonight.
I just got a ride.
You've been drinking tonight, sir.
I'm a captain on the police department.
What police department?
Oklahoma City.
It's Captain James French of the Oklahoma City Police Department, to be exact. French had been with the department for more than 30 years.
How much we had to drink tonight, sir?
Please.
Huh? I'm not turning my camera off.
The responding officer has the drunk police captain step out of his vehicle.
You gotta be kidding me.
While the body cam was still rolling, Captain French agrees to a sobriety test.
Keep going.
can you turn that off,
I cannot, sir.
please?
I know you're aware of our body cam policy. You know I cannot turn off this body
I
cam.
do, but I'd like to talk to you,
I can't do that, sir.
please. Please. I'd like to talk to you.
One, are you going to do the test or not?
Will you please talk to me?
I'll talk to you once we're
You
done.
can turn it off, you can turn it on.
I can turn it off once I'm done with my investigation, sir.
Okay. I'm asking you. I'm a captain on the police department.
I understand that, sir.
I get
And I am
that.
a sergeant on this police officer, and
I
I've
am
taken
not-
an oath to uphold the law.
I
don't show favoritism to anyone, regardless. I don't care if you're a gangbanger or the president of the United States.
Sir, I'm not asking you for that.
Captain French is then arrested and taken into custody.
All right, go ahead and turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back.
Are you gonna arrest me, sir?
Yes, I am.
Can I talk to you?
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back, sir.
French was booked on driving under the influence of alcohol and has been placed on administrative leave. Next, we're in Prescott, Arizona, where another judge was stopped by police.
Like, do you know I'm a judge here?
You are?
Yeah.
Okay. For Yelpa County?
Yeah. And I don't want to use that. I don't want to use it. I don't.
Okay.
I really don't. I really don't.
This is Yavapai County Superior Court Judge Sule Hancock. Police officers caught up with her after there were reports that someone was acting erratically at a Safeway grocery store.
What's going on today, ma'am? Okay, well, we got some reports that you were inside of Safeway.
Yes.
And you're walking around stumbling, and you got back in your vehicle,
Because I'm trying to
and you left the store, and now you're here. Okay, do me a favor and turn off your car so I can hear you. Perfect. So my next question to you, ma'am, is have you been drinking today? You haven't been drinking today. Okay. Are you having a medical condition today or medical issue?
I'm just trying to get my prescription for something.
Okay. So would there be a reason that somebody would call and say that maybe you're stumbling around in Safeway? Okay.
I'm just trying to get my prescription.
Okay. So why'd you leave your wallet at the store?
I'm trying to get my prescription.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hancock told the officer she was at the pharmacy to pick up a prescription for a seizure disorder.
While keeping both legs straight, point the toe of your raised foot down, look at the raised foot, and keep your arms to your side. It's going to look like this. Okay, you're going to pick one foot, hands down to your side.
Yeah, did you ask her, do you have bad ankles?
I have bad feet, bad ankles, I have everything.
Okay, how about those shoes? Are they pretty comfortable shoes? I'm just asking.
Yes.
Okay. Right. And out of both of your legs, which leg is the most
They're both bad.
Okay, which
They're
one is
both
not
bad.
as bad?
They're both bad.
Okay. Okay, so it's your choice what leg you're gonna raise. Okay?
Okay.
It's either the
They're
left or
both
the
bad.
right. Okay.
They're both bad.
Okay.
Okay. And begin. Look down at your toe.
What am I supposed to do? When's the time you started?
It already started.
Oh, sorry.
Things then go from bad to worse when Hancock does a breathalyzer test and blows a .219.
Mrs. Hancock?
Yeah.
You mind stepping on the vehicle for me, please? Okay. Do me a favor. Go ahead and turn around and put your hands behind your back, please. All right. Place you under arrest for driving under suspicion of DUI. And I'm going to have you go in the back of my car, which is just behind us, okay? But I'm going to put the cuffs on first. All right. And then we're going to go back to my station and do a few more tests, okay? And then at that point, once we are done with the tests, we'll have your friend who came here earlier and pick you up, okay?
Despite telling multiple officers that she's a judge, Hancock also says she wants to be treated like a, quote, normal person.
I just
Don't.
told them I'm a judge here. So
Oh, okay. Well, I apologize. I've never met you.
it's good that you never.
I mean-
No, I'm sorry. I f***ed it up.
So they're making phone calls, and
okay.
we just figure out what we do after this, okay?
Yeah,
So again,
no,
you've been very
don't.
sweet, and we appreciate
Don't.
that.
Don't, because I f***ed it up. And it shouldn't mean anything. You know, just a person like everybody else. Just a normal person like everybody else. I'm just a normal person. Like,
Oh, I understand.
it shouldn't matter.
That's okay. We're just gonna have you sit in my patrol car for now, okay? Get you out of the weather.
Yeah, just so you're not getting water on you.
But
The
don't
rain.
treat me like everybody else.
Hancock was charged with what's known in Arizona as an extreme DUI. She later took a plea deal and spent 1 day in jail and paid a fine of $1,650. Now we're in Kalamazoo County, Michigan, where this time it's the sheriff who's in some hot water.
So what happened tonight, sir?
Oh, no. All I know is I went in the ditch and I don't have no clue.
That's Mark Lillywhite, the sheriff of St. Joseph County, Michigan. It's February 26, 2023, around 3 a.m., and Lillywhite has just crashed his car while driving drunk at nearly 100 miles per hour.
Whose car is this?
That's the county's car.
County's car? Okay.
Yeah.
So, and then...
I'm responsible for it.
I gotcha.
Absolutely, I'm responsible.
I gotcha. So you don't know who's driving the county car that you're riding passenger in?
To be honest with you, I'm bad, but no, I don't.
Okay.
It wasn't me.
Okay. Who was it?
I have no idea.
Body camera shows Lillywhite in the passenger seat of his car. Despite there being no one else at the scene, Lillywhite insists he wasn't the one driving.
What happened before you went into the ditch?
No, I wasn't driving.
Okay, I didn't ask that. I asked what happened before you went into the ditch.
I don't know.
Who was driving?
Please.
I'm cold too. I'm out here with you. Who was driving?
I have no idea.
It's pretty clear that you've been drinking. You appear very intoxicated right now. So were you like passed out or something? Or?
I know. That's why I wasn't driving. I get the fact that I wasn't driving.
I gotcha. But were you? So you were sleeping, or you just weren't paying attention, or what?
No, I wasn't driving. I have no idea.
After Lillywhite refuses to do any field sobriety tests or take a breathalyzer, the trooper takes the sheriff into custody. A blood draw at the hospital showed his blood alcohol level was 0.25, more than 3 times the legal limit to drive. Lillywhite, who had been in law enforcement for 3 decades, pleaded guilty to 2 misdemeanors, operating while intoxicated, and carrying a weapon while under the influence of alcohol. At the time of this recording, Lillywhite is still the sheriff of St. Joseph County. Next, we're staying in Michigan, where it's not just law enforcement officers driving drunk, it's allegedly firefighters too. Dearborn Fire Chief Joseph Murray has spoken out before against drunk driving, but on August 29, 2023, he was the one arrested on suspicion of DUI.
Legs, see how my legs straight, toes pointed, like this, see? Like that. Oh my gosh, we're not gonna do that. You're gonna bump your noggin.
Police pulled Murray over after Murray was going 60 miles per hour. The speed limit was only 40.
Oh, Officer Pointer, Dearborn Heights Police Department. Do you have any idea how fast you're going today?
Probably too fast. I apologize.
Before they start testing to see if he's intoxicated, the officer wants to know if the fire chief has had anything to drink.
I said anything to drink tonight, sir?
Yeah, I've had a couple of beers for sure.
How many beers? A couple beers?
3 or 4.
3 or 4?
Yeah.
Okay. How long ago did you have those?
What's that?
How long ago did you have those beers?
Within a couple hours.
All right. What time do you think it is right now, sir, without looking at the clock? You already looked at the clock.
I'm sorry.
You're good. All right. Have you had anything to drink or eat in the last 15 minutes?
In the last 15 minutes?
Yep.
No.
Okay, sir. Go ahead and shut the vehicle off for me.
Yes, sir.
Go to step out of the vehicle.
Things don't get much better when Murray gets out of the car.
Because, I mean, let's just be honest. You're absolutely ripped. Right? You're hammered, drunk. You can barely speak. You can barely stand up.
Oh,
come on over here.
The field sobriety tests don't go well, with Murray losing his balance and having trouble following what the officer is saying. When it comes time to do a breathalyzer, Murray requests a lawyer.
I mean, no. I'm not for a lawyer or something.
You don't want to take that?
I don't understand. Like, what's
We just want to see where you're at, because I think you're intoxicated. I think you've had too much to drink today. This will just kind of give us a rough estimate of exactly where kind of that number's at. Okay.
I feel like I just need to wait for a lawyer.
You want to wait for a lawyer? Fantastic. You're going to be placed under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. Okay. Under arrest for drunk driving.
Murray was later arrested and released. The department placed him on administrative leave, and as of this recording, Murray has not been officially charged. Next, we head to Nassau County, Florida, where County Commissioner Aaron Bell was arrested in June 2022 for DUI.
Okay, must see your license, registration, proof of insurance. I have no license.
I'm sorry?
I don't have a license.
You don't have your license?
No, I don't.
Do you have a valid license?
Yes.
You just don't have it with you?
No.
Okay. All right.
According to Bell's arrest report, police got a call about a reckless driver. The officer stopped Bell, who allegedly had a strong smell of alcohol on his breath and appeared disoriented.
So how much have you had to drink today as far as alcohol goes? Okay. I don't believe you, neither does he.
No.
Okay.
But can you get me home?
No. No.
Please?
No. Mm-mm. No. Why are you different than anybody else that I stop and do a DUI investigation with? Because who your wife is? Don't work that way, bud. Don't work that way. Okay? You're not privileged because of what your wife does for a living. Of
course not.
Okay?
According to the arrest report, Bell failed various roadside sobriety tests. After refusing a breathalyzer test, police say Bell then requested to go to the hospital, even though he couldn't tell paramedics what exactly was wrong. Bell was brought to the hospital by his own request, medically cleared, and then taken to the Nassau County Jail. He was later charged with driving under the influence. Our last stop is in Seymour, Indiana.
Hi. Step over here. I recognize you. What's your name?
Jim Lucas.
Jim Lucas.
Officials say on May 31st, Lucas crashed his car about an hour south of Indianapolis. He allegedly hit 2 guardrails, then made a U-turn, which meant he was going the wrong way down an exit ramp. When police finally caught up with Lucas, the state rep claims he was just out walking.
Just out for a walk? Mm-hmm. Okay. You didn't see a van go by with no tires on it?
No van.
No van. Okay. All right. I mean, you've been drinking, so that's why I'm asking you, because we got somebody that's apparently driving around with no tires on a van, and then we got you stumbling around out here.
I have no van.
Okay. 110, come over here. Hang tight, Jim, all right?
Eventually, Lucas is arrested.
All right, Jim, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to consult with a lawyer before answering questions and to have a lawyer with you during any questioning. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be provided for you free of cost if you so desire one. Do you understand what I just read you? Okay. Do you still want to talk to us? I'm sorry?
I do not.
You do not? Okay.
In a move we've seen before, Lucas asks the officer to turn off his body camera.
Is your camera on?
Yes. It's always on, yep.
Turn off because I'm going to say something. Okay, you fucked up by not checking me. I volunteered my weapon.
Yeah. Well, I didn't have to check you yet, and plus I was standing with you.
Okay,
now,
but you, I'm not arguing.
I know.
You always check something. I had a weapon.
Right.
If I were a bad guy,
right,
I had the advantage.
Yes and no.
I'm trained.
I didn't say you weren't.
No. And I'm not arguing that.
Right.
But you don't know that I'm not.
I know that. I don't.
And see, here's the thing. Okay, I am the biggest supporter of 2A rights.
Same.
Everybody has a right.
Same.
Okay, but in situations like this, you also have a right to be suspicious.
Once the officers get Lucas into a vehicle, they mention the smell of alcohol on his breath.
Smell anything on him?
Oh, yeah.
I can smell it.
Mm-hmm.
Kinda. That's why I want to get in my car.
Yeah.
So they're just going to be right down there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
My corporal's right there, so he'll let you know, too. Yep, you're good.
Lucas pleaded guilty to 2 misdemeanor charges and received a 60-day suspended sentence for the charge of operating a vehicle while intoxicated, and a 180-day suspended sentence for leaving the scene where he hit the guardrail. He later took a plea deal and had to pay $4,000 for the damage to the guardrail, spent a year on probation, and complete a drug and alcohol program. For Law and Crime After Hours, I'm Sam Goldberg.
My mom and I stay here.
You been drinking?